Welcome to my channel, and listen closely, because this story may feel like your own life. At the age of 18, Daniel stood in front of a cracked mirror and tried to speak English, but the words fell apart in his mouth. His dream was simple but powerful. He wanted to speak English with confidence and build a better future. He lived in a small town where opportunities were limited and fear was common. Daniel believed English could open doors, but every time he tried to speak, people laughed. His classmates corrected him harshly. His hands shook when teachers asked questions. He failed tests again and again. At home, money was tight. His father worked daily wages. His mother believed in him but worried about his future. Many nights, Daniel felt like giving up. He asked himself why learning English felt so hard. One evening, while scrolling on an old phone, he found a free English video. The teacher spoke slowly and kindly. For the first time, Daniel understood. That moment felt small, but it changed something inside him. He repeated words quietly. He practiced alone. His pronunciation was weak, but his hope grew stronger. That night, he wrote one sentence in English. It was not perfect, but it was his. He slept with fear and hope together. He did not know it yet, but this was the first step of a long journey. A journey that would test his patience, his confidence, and his strength. And this was only the beginning of how English practice started changing his life. Chapter 2. The next morning, Daniel woke up early with mixed feelings. Fear sat in his chest, but determination pushed him forward. He promised himself one thing. He would practice English every day, no matter how hard it felt. He started with 10 minutes. Simple words, simple sentences. Many times, he made mistakes. His tongue felt heavy. His mind felt slow. Some days, he forgot words he learned the night before. That hurt him deeply. At school, nothing changed fast. Friends still laughed. Teachers still doubted him. One day, an English teacher named Mr. Adams noticed Daniel staying after class. He saw the notebook filled with crossed words and corrections. Instead of mocking, he smiled. He told Daniel that mistakes were signs of learning. Those words stayed with him. Mr. Adams became his guide. He gave him simple tasks. Read aloud. Listen carefully. Speak slowly. Daniel followed every instruction. At home, his mother listened patiently while he practiced. She did not correct him harshly. She encouraged him. That support mattered more than perfect grammar. Weeks passed. Daniel could now introduce himself in English. It felt like a victory. A small one, but real. He still failed quizzes. He still felt nervous, but he no longer felt hopeless. He learned that progress was quiet, growth was slow, and confidence came from practice, not talent. Each night, he reminded himself why he started. He wanted a better life. He wanted to believe in himself. And step by step, word by word, he kept moving forward. Chapter 3. Progress brought new challenges. Daniel began speaking more in class, and that made his fear louder. When he answered questions, his voice shook. Sometimes he mixed words, sometimes he froze. Laughter still came, but now it hurt less. One day, he gave a short English presentation. He practiced all night. His hands trembled during the speech. He forgot 2 lines. He wanted to run away, but he finished. The class was silent. That silence felt heavier than laughter. Later, Mr. Adams told him something important. Courage is not sounding perfect. Courage is not quitting. That day, Daniel understood failure in a new way. At home, his father lost his job. Stress filled the house. Daniel thought about quitting school to work. His dream felt selfish again. That night, his father spoke quietly. He told Daniel to keep studying. He said education was the only way forward. Those words gave Daniel strength. He worked part-time and studied at night. He listened to English while traveling. He spoke English to himself. Slowly, sentences became smoother. Vocabulary grew. Confidence followed. One evening, Daniel helped a tourist with directions in English. The words came naturally. The tourist smiled and thanked him. That small moment felt bigger than any exam. Daniel realized his hard work was working. Not fast, not easy, but real. Even when life pushed him down, he stood back up. And he promised himself he would continue, no matter how long it took. Chapter 4. With growth came a new test. Daniel joined an English-speaking competition. Fear returned stronger than before. He almost quit before registering. But Mr. Adams pushed him gently. Preparation was intense. Daniel practiced daily. He recorded his voice. He corrected mistakes. Some days, his progress felt invisible. On competition day, he stood on stage under bright lights. His heart raced. His voice cracked at first. He saw his mother in the crowd. She nodded slowly. He remembered his journey. He spoke with honesty, not perfection. He did not win. He did not place. Disappointment crushed him. That night, he cried silently. Doubt whispered again, but something had changed. He did not hate failure anymore. He reviewed his mistakes. He learned from them. He practiced harder. Months later, Daniel noticed people listening when he spoke. Teachers trusted him more. Classmates asked for help. English was no longer his enemy. It became his tool. He started teaching younger students for free. Teaching improved his confidence even more. Helping others reminded him of his past fear. He knew growth never ends. Setbacks still came. Some days were slow, some days felt useless. But Daniel stayed consistent. He believed in effort, he believed in practice, and most importantly, he believed in himself more than before. Chapter 5. Time passed, and Daniel turned 21. His English was not perfect, but it was strong. He applied for a job that required English communication. The interview terrified him. Old fears returned. But he prepared carefully. He practiced answers. He spoke slowly. On interview day, his voice stayed steady. He answered honestly. He made mistakes, but he continued. Days later, he received the call. He got the job. That moment felt unreal. His family celebrated quietly. His father smiled with pride. His mother cried. Daniel remembered every night of doubt, every correction, every failure. He realized success was built on small efforts. At work, he still learned daily. He listened more. He practiced more. He never stopped improving. English gave him confidence beyond language. It taught him patience, discipline, belief. He thanked Mr. Adams, who reminded him that learning never ends. Daniel started sharing his story online. He wanted others to know that fear was normal, failure was necessary, practice was powerful. People connected with his honesty. His journey inspired many. He understood now that English did not just change his career, it changed his mindset. And that change was the greatest success of all. Chapter 6. Today, Daniel looks back with gratitude. He remembers the boy who feared simple sentences. He remembers the nights filled with doubt. He also remembers the strength he found by not giving up. English practice changed his life, but effort changed his future. He learned that progress is slow but sure. That confidence comes from action, not perfection. Failure did not stop him. It shaped him. And now, this lesson is for you. Start where you are. Use what you have. Practice daily. Speak even when afraid. Learn from mistakes. Believe in small wins. Do not wait for confidence. Build it. If English feels hard, remember Daniel. If your dream feels far, take one step today. Work hard, trust the process, believe in yourself, and never, ever give up.